This video shows you how to create a traffic light chart in Qlik Sense using a Qlik Sense table. To do this, we are going to add a table chart to our sheet. As a dimension, we add category name. Then, we add a measure in the first column. Here we are going to add an expression to calculate the profit. When done, we label the measure we just created. Then we will change the number formatting to number and then select the percentage option from the drop-down menu. Now, add another column. Here we will insert the Unicode large circle in the expression editor and label it traffic light. Then, we are going to color the Unicode symbol using an expression. We will use the pick function with an expression that calculates the profit and shows a different color for each result. In this case, we select light red, yellow, light green, and green. As you can see, we now have a traffic light in our Qlik Sense table that shows a Unicode symbol colored according to each profit result. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.